All this is rolled in right here. It's gonna get both of these new extensions. Roll all this back out.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, while I'm rounding the corner.
I have a F350 here. This one got a bunch of suspension work. Got hit in this corner here. Got a new axle and a bunch of stuff. That's all done already. It's getting a new fender, bumper, bunch of stuff up there. And then what I'm gonna do right now is it's getting a bedside repair. All this is rolled in right here. It's gonna get both of these new extensions, wheelhouse extensions, and I'm gonna cut those out. And when I get this one cut out, I'm gonna warm up this area. This is an aluminum panel here, so I'm gonna warm it up and I'm gonna try to roll all this back out once that's cut out of the way and work this bedside back into shape. So I'm using this heat lamp to warm up this aluminum panel. Aluminum doesn't like to move without putting a little heat to it. You don't have to get it super hot, but just warming it up helps quite a bit. I'm gonna try to get it a little warmer than that. So I'm putting this porta power in here to put some outward pressure. I need to get some outward pressure on this and hold it while I warm it up and work it a little bit with a hammer. So I'm gonna use this to push this out some. Put my heat back on it.